Namaste. Welcome to this morning yoga session. My name is Abhijit. I'll be your yoga coach for the next 10 minutes. Sit comfortably, keeping your back erect, your shoulders rolled back and relaxed. Placing your palms in chin mudra, thumb and index finger joints. Gently place your wrists on the knees. Keeping your eyes gently closed. We start with centering of mind and observe your breathing here. Feel the breath breathing from your nose. As you inhale, expanding your chest, move your stomach out. And as you exhale, move your stomach in. Try and empty your lungs completely. Become aware of your breathing. Become aware of your presence. With every inhale and exhale, try and let go of any thoughts, any tension you might be having. And keep focused on your breathing. Inhale deeply, stomach out, and exhaling completely, stomach in. With this awareness of your breathing, slowly shift your awareness to the center of your forehead, in between your eyebrows. Keeping your eyes closed, your back erect, try and focus your awareness on your third eye, your Agnya chakra. And continue with slow and deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. With this awareness of your mind, your body, and your breathing, let's practice a few simple stretches. You can sit with your eyes closed and slowly, as you inhale, drop your head back. Try and look up towards the ceiling, towards the sky, and feel the stretch around the neck. As you exhale, slowly bring your chin down towards your chest and feel the stretch around the neck. And repeat this movement 2 to 3 more times, inhaling as you go back. And exhaling, bring your chin down towards your chest. Inhaling as you go back. And exhale, slowly coming down, chin to your chest. Do it one more time, slowly. Inhaling as you go back. And exhale, bring your chin down to your chest. Slowly come back to the center. Take one or two deep breaths. Relax your breathing. Let's do sideways movement of the neck. Slowly try and look to any one side. You can keep your eyes closed. Stretch the neck. And again come back to the center. Exhale and look to the other side. Feel the stretch around the neck. Inhale, coming back to the center. And again, exhale, going to the right. Inhale and center. Exhale to the other side. Do it two more times, slowly. Inhale and center. Exhale and look to the side. Inhale and center. Exhale to the other side. Feeling the stretch. Last one, slowly come back to the center. Exhale, looking to the other side. And slowly inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, stretch. And come back to the center again. Relax your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Keeping your eyes closed, your back erect. Again, bring your awareness to your breathing. Letting go of any thoughts, any tension you might be having. And become aware of your surroundings. Become aware any sounds you hear, of the air around you. And relax. With this awareness of your mind, body, and breathing, practice silent meditation, just keeping your awareness on your breathing. Slowly bring your awareness back to my voice. Once again, become aware of your surroundings. Feel the calmness in your mind, in your body, in your breathing. Whenever you feel ready, join your palms to your heart center and gently rubbing your palms, generate some heat and slowly place your palms on your eyes. Feel the warmth. A deep inhale, looking at your palms. Big open your eyes with a smile. Thank you. With this, we complete the session. I'll see you next time. Namaste.